Hey everyone, my name is Alex, and this is going to be an unboxing video of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, including with two different accessories that I got for it. I did get a Spigen Ultra Hybrid clear case for it, and I got the Spigen Glas.tR EZFit. Let's get into the unboxing. Let's go ahead and start with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and set these aside real quick. Super easy unboxing. Gonna open this up. That plastic off. Oh boy. Oh yeah, that's nice graphite. Of course, in the box, it will come with a cable right over here. It is a USB-C to Lightning, and some documentation right over there. Of course, I'm just gonna put this over here. Of course, in this video, we are gonna go ahead and do a screen protector installation on it. This is going to be a one take, so hopefully I do not mess this thing up at all, but let's just go for it. Now, opening this box up, gotta take this out. Alright, cool. So it looks like in this box it comes with two screen protectors, so that's good. If I mess up once, I got a second time. Got some cleaning stuff. Don't really need it because it is a brand new phone out of the case, so it should be clean. Alright. This is going to be interesting because I already know I'm going to mess this up. Hopefully not though. Set this aside up here. Next up we got the case, Spigen. Take this out as covering. Cool. Looks dope. Let's set this up here real quick. So let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay this flat on here. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna leave this right over here, or this side over here. Let me read these freaking instructions before I do anything, you know? Clean, don't need to do that. Interesting. All right. So I'm just gonna go for it. You know, this is interesting. Ah, I see. So I have to remove this adhesive back here. Okay. So we're just gonna go for it. Alright. Shit, I'm kind of nervous, you know? I haven't done this in a minute. Alright. So first off, let's take the back of this. Come on. Oh, it's coming off. Alright, take that off. Now I'm going to take this off. Now I'm just going to set this right on top. Okay, that is on top of it. Now I got to press it down on here. Oh man, I already know. There's some bubbles right there. Sheesh. Alright, I see it. But it seems like a pretty easy installation, not gonna lie. So I'm pressing it down. I haven't been counting 30 seconds or not, but we're just gonna see what happens. Okay. So I'm gonna press it down. I'm sure it's been 30 seconds, honestly. I'm like, sure. Now I'm just gonna, where's that squeegee that this thing came with? I have no, oh, here it is, for sure. Now we gotta remove this little sticker right here. Interesting. Alright, so got that thing off. Now, just follow instructions again. Just lift this bad boy up. Okay, now before I take it off, I'm gonna use this thing right here to straighten it out as much as I can before I take that part off. We gotta get that air out. try to get that baby out.
2 hours later.
Nice. Cool. So that was the unboxing and installation of all these accessories that came or that I bought with the device. Of course, I'll link everything in the description later on. Yeah, so it's my very first unboxing in a long time. Thank you for watching. And of course, like, comment, subscribe, and you'll see more videos from me. Thank you. Peace.